talk about a quick drill. Here's one. This drill can be done during a kick set or as a standalone drill. Why do it? This little drill will allow you time to focus on an early catch and high elbow without making you think too much. There's really only one focal point to this drill. How to do it. You're going to start the drill by kicking flutter kick in the face down position. Put both hands out in front and interlock the thumbs. Not in perfect streamline, but the arms aren't crazy apart either. You'll take a stroke with one arm, return it back to center, wait a bit, then take a stroke with the other arm. Put some kicks between the strokes so you can focus on the fine point. The real trick to this drill is that when you take the stroke, you try to maintain a connection with your elbow and the surface of the water. It's not that easy, so close counts too. How to do it really well, the fine points. Didn't we just cover that in step 3? If you really want to focus on it, put on a Finnis center mount snorkel so you can spend more time thinking about what you're doing, or put on some fins to keep you moving.